Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Life was perfect, actually. We have a wonderful family. We are very active. I've never had a bad health issue in my whole life. Wow, it goes back to last summer, July. I started to have some hip pain, which wasn't excruciating at the time when it first began, and I kind of put up with it for a couple months. You know, it didn't get better, it didn't get better, it didn't get better, and so I became a little bit more concerned and ended up going to the orthopedic, which they recommended doing. After I had a cortisone shot and that didn't do anything, they kind of said we should go further with some testing and did the MRI, which unfortunately ended up showing some lesions in my hip, which they ultimately knew was something more than just in the hip area.
I get a call from Jen that I need to come home. The news was not great. And I get home and Jen is sitting on the couch with her mom and sobbing. And here's our new reality, and here's our new norm. And what are we gonna do? Having gone from the perfectly healthy lifestyle to that news was, to say the least, just a blow. I mean, you go from thinking you're 100%, living this vibrant life, and that diagnosis was just something that, to this day, I mean, yeah, it was just shocking. We get the BioCharger delivered, as Jen said, kind of like handed to us. And all of a sudden, within a day or two or three, it made a world of difference. And no longer was she having difficulty getting out of bed, going down the stairs, getting rid of her crutches, helping with the dog, gardening outside. And she would wake up relieved and knowing that she was in this recovery mode. I'm on the road to recovery, and as Jen has said, she feels 100%. 100%. You don't know what that means to me, what that means to the kids, and especially what that means to Jen. It's just time to yourself to think and to embrace everything, and it just gives you hope that you're sitting in front of something that is truly changing your world. Like, I can't even express how amazing it is to feel the way I feel right now after a few short months of using the BioCharger. It is something that I would never have imagined, and I don't think it is strictly medicine that can get you to this space. Everyone should be able to take advantage of this. It really, really has changed our lives. And I'm very, very grateful for all that it's done for our family and our future and our life together, and just being able to live our life. Like, it's amazing.